This Smittybilt Factory Style 2-inch receiver hitch is for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK that are looking to be able to tow a trailer and don't currently have a hitch installed on your Jeep. This is going to be a factory style hitch, so it's going to be pretty much the same exact design as you would get from that factory one, but it's going to be a little bit less expensive because you're not going directly back to Mopar to the dealership to pick it up. It is going to bolt in all the same locations, no need to drill or cut anything, so it is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrench installation that shouldn't take you more than an hour to complete, and we'll talk more about that in just a second. This is going to be very beefy, very strong. If you have a 4-door JK, you can tow up to 3,500 pounds with a 350-pound tongue weight. This can certainly exceed that. You won't want to, but it is nice to know that you have more than enough strength in this receiver for what you're going to be towing with the Jeep. The Jeep's never going to be a serious tow vehicle, but if you are looking to move around a small landscaping trailer, something along those lines, this is going to work just fine for you. And it is going to be less expensive than some of the other options out there, like I mentioned. So as far as construction goes, like I said, it's going to be very similar to the factory construction. It's going to be your standard 2-inch receiver here. You're going to have spots for your safety chains. This is going to go directly over that rear cross member area. So if you're running a factory bumper, you'll be able to run this. If you're running an aftermarket bumper that has a spot for a factory hitch, you'll still be able to use this because it mounts in the same locations and takes up the same amount of space. If you're running an aftermarket bumper that will not work with a factory hitch, this will not work either. Now this is just going to come with the hitch and the hardware that you need to get it installed. It's not going to come with a wiring harness. You can get one separately from Smittybilt if you choose to. If you are looking for a little bit more of a turnkey solution, Rugged Ridge has a bunch of these in different finishes that come with varying options, either wiring harnesses or no wiring harnesses, and then different things that you can put in the receiver, from just caps to tow bars with balls, to a tow bar that will accept a D-ring, a lot of different options there. This receiver hitch is going to run you right around $60. I do think that's going to be a pretty fair price for what you're getting here. Like I said before, if you want a more turnkey option that comes with additional accessories, you can get that from other brands like Rugged Ridge. But if all you're looking for is a receiver, maybe you already have the wiring harness, you're not interested in that right now, this is going to be a nice, inexpensive option that's still very high quality. So for installation, again, very simple, 1 out of 3 wrenches. All you have to do is slide this up into place. You'll be able to pass the bolts through the receiver and through the cross member, use the included hardware to bolt everything down. And then if you are purchasing one of those Smittybilt wiring harnesses, or any wiring harness that will fit here, that's what this little tab is designed for, to hold that wiring harness, you can go ahead and tuck that up into there. Overall, very easy install. So if you're looking for just a receiver hitch for your JK, I definitely recommend taking a look at this option from Smittybilt, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.